Today I'll be sharing with you what I ate in a day for weight loss. Stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based diet. On my channel, you're going to find lots of quick and easy recipes. Be sure to check out all the links below for all the resources I offer. I have an online course if you're new to this way of eating, and it's really helpful to give you the tips and tricks to stay on this way of eating. I've got a newsletter you can sign up for. I have a Facebook group completely free to join. And I also have a membership program if you want to see more of behind the scenes, the things I do at work, on vacation, just different aspects of my life that I don't share on this YouTube channel. So today is definitely a low glamour day. I went to the gym today. I've been working around the house, just doing a lot of chores, laundry, grocery shopping, you know, all the fun things of life. So I just didn't feel like getting all glammed up. But you know, this is real life, so that's the way it goes. Anyway, today I'm going to be sharing with you a full day of eating, 3 meals plus 2 snacks. It's going to be low calorie, it's going to be high protein, everything you need to help you lose weight. I gained a few pounds over vacation and I'm just trying to get back to my fighting weight, and I'm just back on the basics, back on, you know, low calorie density and just the normal things I do every day to maintain my weight. And for me, when I go on vacation, I don't really restrict myself. I definitely stay plant-based. That's non-negotiable. I don't ever change that. But I do eat things that maybe have more fat or oil, sugar, higher calorie, and I think that's okay. You know, you're in another country, you want to enjoy the foods there. So now I'm back home and I'm back on track. So I'm going to share that with you today. So let's get started. Okay, so I just got back from the gym. Had a really good workout, but now I'm starving. So I'm gonna make a high protein breakfast sandwich. But while I'm making my sandwich, I'm gonna eat this banana, and then I'm gonna start with my electrolyte water as well. So I drink one of these every day because my sodium tends to be a little low, and my doctor has recommended that I have one of these a day and my sodium levels stay perfect. So I just will sip this throughout the morning, give it a good stir, and it also helps me drink more water because it tastes really yummy. All right, I'm gonna meet you over at the stove. I'm gonna make a quick little tofu scramble to go onto my breakfast sandwich. All right, so I have my non-stick skillet here, preheating, and I'm just gonna add, I've got about 100 grams of extra firm tofu, which I'm just going to crumble up in here. And this is going to go on top of my sandwich. Alright, so for seasonings, I have some garlic salt, some onion powder. I like to add a little soy milk to the pan. Adds a little bit more protein, helps it cook. So we'll just let this cook in here for a few minutes. If the pan gets too dry, just add a little bit of soy milk or water. So I'm just going to turn this down to low, cover it, and let it cook for a few minutes. Then I'm just going to add a handful of spinach and let this cook for another couple of minutes till the spinach gets a little wilted. And I think I'm going to add a little bit more soy milk. So this is, you know, your soy milk is just however the consistency you like. If you like it drier, then don't use as much. Alright, then I'm just going to cover this, turn the heat off, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using to make my sandwich. I'm going to be using my high protein bagel, and the recipe for this is on my membership, so if you would like that recipe, then check out my membership. Otherwise, you can use whatever kind of bagel you would like. I like this one because it is high protein. It's got 20 grams of protein, so it's really, I get a bigger bang for my buck on this one. So I'm just gonna cut it in half and toast it, and then I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put this sandwich together. All right, so I toasted my bagel, and then I've heated up a couple tablespoons of my cheese sauce. So I'm gonna put a little bit on here, on each side. And then I'm just gonna pile my tofu on here. And whatever does not fit on my sandwich, I will just eat it on the side. Yeah. And there it is. Delicious breakfast sandwich. And I have about this much left over that I'll just eat on the side. And this sandwich comes in just under 400 calories. We've got 34 grams of protein, so it's a solid breakfast. So I love eating these because they are so filling and satisfying. So I hope you give this one a try. Let's give it a taste. Alrighty, here we go. So good. I mean, to find a really good gluten-free bagel, chef's kiss. All right, I'll see you at lunch. I'm gonna be making these summer rolls that I've been seeing all over the internet. I mean, they're just huge. You can stuff them full, and I'm gonna make them for you today. So you're gonna need 3 spring roll wrappers, and then I've just got some warm water. You just wanna dip them in. You're not gonna soak them, you just wanna get them wet. And then you're gonna line them up on your board here. So you just lay them all out here on your cutting board, and then I've got some butter lettuce, and then I have some marinated tofu, and then I've just got a bunch of veggies. I've got some green cabbage, and I've got some cucumber and some carrot. And you can just slice them thin or julienne them. And then I've got some avocado. And then you're just gonna roll them up, and it's, you know, just be careful. You roll it up from the bottom, just like a burrito. Bring the sides in. Tucking everything in, and you just roll it up. And look at that, it's like the size of a burrito. All right, I'm going to make a quick little sauce for these. So I'm gonna set this aside. I'm just gonna use some peanut butter powder. Couple spoonfuls in there. We're gonna do a little garlic salt. A little ground ginger. You can use fresh if you want. And then I'm gonna put some coconut aminos in there. A little bit of maple syrup. Then we'll add some water just to thin it out. All right, look at these. Yum! So good. All right, we're just gonna dip them in the peanut sauce here. If you haven't made these, oh, you've got to. So good. A little bit messy. So delicious and so satisfying. The crunch with those veggies is perfect. You can dip them in any kind of sauce you want. I just like peanut sauce for spring rolls. We're calling this a summer roll because it's summer and they're so big. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, moving on. And for another snack, I had a plum cot. These are half plums and half apricots. They're really good. All the delicious summer fruits are coming in, so give those a try. So fruit is a great snack. Don't be afraid of fruit. Got a lot of fiber, nutrients, and it's delicious. For dinner, it's super easy. I have a whole half of my plate is veggies. I've got some tempeh that I just put a little coconut aminos on, stuck them in the air fryer for a few minutes, and then I've got my rice and quinoa mix. So this is going to be my dinner. I am just going to put a little bit of sweet chili sauce over the top here, like 1 tablespoon. That's all you really need just for flavor. Little on the veggies. And then I'm going to sprinkle a tablespoon of nutritional yeast over the whole thing. And then I'll mix it all up. And that's going to give me another 4 grams of protein in this already high protein meal. So that's it for dinner. Let me give it a taste. All right, here we go. And I just want to add, if you don't want to put nutritional yeast on here, you don't have to. If you don't like it, some people don't like it. I love it. It gives it that nice little cheesy umami flavor. So let's try a little bit of the tempeh. I love it. This is one of my go-to meals, is the tempeh or tofu, veggies, and some kind of a starch, potato or rice. And I eat this quite a lot on repeat. So I will give you the exact amount of calories and proteins for the day. And calories are about 1466 and protein is about 100 as far as I can tell right now. Now some people are going to think that's a starvation diet. I've gotten comments about that. It's really not when you see the amount of food that I'm eating. Does this look like I'm starving? No. My breakfast was quite hearty, as was my lunch, and I have this really delicious dinner. Plus I had 2 snacks. So, you know, 1466 is not starvation. It's a good calorie count for me, especially if I'm trying to lose weight, which I'm trying to lose a couple pounds right now, and, you know, from vacation. You know, if you need more calories, then eat more calories. Add another snack or add some more rice, whatever you need to do. I'm just showing you what I eat when I'm trying to lose weight. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it a like and share it with your friends. If you've made it this far in the video, please comment below. Just give me an emoji, a thumbs up, a heart, a smiley face, whatever you want, just to let me know that you've made it to the end with me and you enjoyed the video. So check out all the links below for all the resources I offer. Check out my membership, check out my online course, my e-guide, my newsletter. All that information is down below, plus my favorite products. Also, discount codes are down there. So check all that out, and until next time, thank you.